Addressing the National Assembly on Monday, the President of the Supreme People's Prosecutor's Office, Mr. Saisana Kotputhon, said the Supreme People's Prosecutor's Office has dealt with more than 3,000 drug-related cases under the national agenda for the solution of the drug problem, with most of them involving large amounts of narcotics.
คดียาเสพติดแก้ไขได้ 95.8% ศาลพิจารณา
There were a total of 3,785 drug cases in connection with the implementation of the national agenda for the solution of the drug problem, and 3,599 of them, or 95.08%, have been considered for resolution.
เอาตามคำแถลงของอัยการบางส่วน
According to the Supreme People's Prosecutor's Office, from the statistics, it can be seen that monitoring and prosecution of drug cases have become more strict, and there is a high success rate.
โดยติดพันกับการปฏิบัติวาระแห่งชาติว่าด้วยการแก้ไขปัญหายาเสพติดในไซเฮ็ดให้
Mr. Saisana said in connection with the development of the national agenda to solve the drug problem, the People's Prosecutor's Office in the past focused on monitoring the prosecution of drug cases with greater responsibility, especially monitoring the use of preventative measures by the investigation agency according to the Article 136 of the Law on Criminal Proceedings. They stated the arrest and detention of those accused in drug cases should be more strict, and an order was issued that did not allow the People's Procuratorate to cooperate with the district, city, provincial, and Vientiane People's Prosecutor's Office to solve drug cases through administrative fines and release of offenders. Based on the statistics since the beginning of the implementation of the national agenda to solve the drug problem, the People's Prosecutor's Office has monitored detentions and issued detention orders for a total of 7,284 people accused of drug crimes, equal to 64.84% of the total number of 11,233 people arrested.
การเคลื่อนไหวในปี
However, the Supreme People's Prosecutor's Office began implementing the national agenda on the drug problem in December 2021. It has become the main work of the Prosecutor's Office as defined in the national agenda for the solution of the drug problem and covers the oversight of proceedings in drug cases and the prosecution of drug offenders under the law.
และฝึกวิชาชีพเฮ็ดให้เขาเจ้า